Hi students, coming to the next topic, that is the unified process. So what are the stages and what are the phases that are involved in the unified process model? Now let us see. So this is a 5-stage here, consisting of communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. So whatever the model you have taken, these are the main thing. So here in the unified process model, all these phases will be combined into different phases. You call it as those are the unified process phases. Those are inceptions, elaboration, construction, transition and production. So they are giving some different names to this unified process. So actually the communication is just we are communicating, the developer and the user is communicating to know exactly what the user wants. That means the requirements gathering will be done in communication. So in the planning they are trying to build the structure to that, means not the structure, it's a documentation. It should be planning about the complete project. After they get some idea about the project, they try to model the project. It's a model, diagrammatic representation. So once the diagrammatic representation is over, they are trying to construct the product, means by writing the code, and they are testing the product. So after that they deploy the project, deployment. So these are the stages that were involved in any process model. Now coming to this unified process model. The unified process model is having inception phase, elaboration phase, construction phase, transition phase and the production phase. So inception phase is a combination of both communication and planning. So means they are trying to inception phase. Instead of calling communication, planning and modeling the unified process model, they try to write the name as inception. So what are the role these inception phase will do? Here the inception will vision document, and here it uses the initial use case models. So why I'm going for the model in communication? Because they have tried to plan the project. So just only initial use case, not the final one. It's a starting a blueprint to that product. Vision document, they try to implement the vision document and use initial use case model, initial business case model, and initial risk assessment, project plan, and they are trying to phases, iterations and business model. Everything will be comes under this inception. It's a combination of both communication and planning. Next, coming to this elaboration. So what is this phase will do? Elaboration. So elaboration is a phase contains the features like planning and modeling both. Means here they are trying to implement the use case models. So here in inception they try to build the initial use case model, and here they try to write the complete the product use case models, and here the analysis model, and here the software architecture description, and project planning include iteration plans, adapters, workflow, milestones. Everything will come under the workflow, milestones, everything will come under this elaboration. A combination of planning and modeling is the elaboration. Next is the construction. So everyone will know the construction. Construction is to integrate whatever the modules that it's a unit modules will be solved, that will be tested, that will be integrated. We are doing the test plans on this in the construction stage. Test plan, different test plans, test cases, support documentation, user manuals, installation manuals, everything will be done in this construction phase. Okay, next is the transition phase. Transition phase is try to deliver the it's a combination of both construction and deployment. Once the project is over, they try to deploy. So everything will comes under the transition phase. The transition phase here, it's delivered software increment. So whatever the softwares that is trying to release software increments, that will be delivered in the test report, general user feedback. Based on the user feedback, they try to add the features to that product, and they try to deliver the project by solving the incremented process also. And this is the deployment. So after deployment, they try to release the software, and if if still any increments will be needed. Suppose if any modification is there, they'll try to again communicate with the person and they try to design that module, that specific module, whatever the user is added. So that comes under the production phase. So these are the different phases that are present in the unified process: inception, elaboration, construction, transition, and production. Now let us see. So this is the structure for the unified phase, unified process. So here the workflow. So this is general workflow of whatever the model you have taken. The workflows will be: first the requirements, analysis, design, implementation, testing. Finally they are supporting with the, so this comes under the customer view. So support: requirement, analysis, design, implementation, test, support. So what are the unified process phases? Inceptions, elaboration, construction, transition, and production. So these are the unified process phase. So in the requirements will be gathered in the inception, elaboration, up to some construction point. Also they try to gather the requirements. Why they are trying? All these three will be involved because inception is nothing but communication, planning. Communication, planning, everything will comes under the inception. Elaboration is the combination of planning and modeling. So up to modeling and if they are trying to build a simple code starting, this everything will be the workflow will be in the case of requirements only, means gathering, try to planning, try to modeling, and try to constructing. Okay, so that comes under the flow. So the flow graph will be raised in the inception phase because that is the phase for communication and planning. So the requirements will be gathered at that involvement will be more in that inception phase. Analysis: the analysis phase, the most involvement will be present in the elaboration phase because elaboration is for planning and modeling. Analysis can be done at modeling. So the planning and modeling will be done in elaboration. So in the same way, the design phase, the elaboration, the graph sheet will be more, and then it leads to up to transition because the designing will be done in the elaboration and construction up to still transition, because elaboration is a combination of planning and modeling, and construction and transition is to construct the product and try to deploy the project. So everything, the design will give the clear idea, so up to that transition. And the implementation, so implementation, everything, that graph will be raised in the construction part because in the construction only we are trying to write the code and we try to test the modules. So the test will be in construction and transition. And the support to the customer, so that will be done at the production stage. So starts at the transition and will be raised at the production state. So this is about the unified process model. Thank you.